Good afternoon, Turks and Caicos. General situation. Deep layered ridging persists across the Turks and Caicos Islands, supporting a drier weather pattern today. The heat index is very high, posing a significant risk of heat-related illnesses such as heat exhaustion and heat stroke. Take immediate precautions to stay cool, hydrated, and avoid prolonged outdoor exposure. Weather: partly sunny and a bit breezy, mostly fair tonight. A heat advisory is issued for the Turks and Caicos Islands. A heat advisory is issued when the heat index reaches 105 degrees Fahrenheit. Winds east to southeast at 10 to 15 knots. Seas 3 feet or less near shore and in sheltered areas building up to 4 feet offshore. Daytime high temperature 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Heat index 105 degrees Fahrenheit. Overnight low temperature 82 degrees Fahrenheit. Sunset today will be at 7:32 p.m. Next high tide 3:37 p.m. and the next low tide 9:48 p.m. Extended forecast: drier weather will persist into the weekend. A ridge will gradually shift eastward ahead of the low pressure and associated trough moving into the western Atlantic this weekend into early next week. Forecast for Saturday: partly to mostly sunny with a high near 91 degrees Fahrenheit. Mostly fair at night with a low around 82 degrees Fahrenheit. Winds east to southeast at 10 to 15 knots, shifting northeast to east at night. Seas 3 feet or less near shore and in sheltered areas building up to 4 feet offshore. Sunrise 6:05 a.m., sunset 7:33 p.m. Forecast for Sunday: partly cloudy with isolated showers possible with a high near 90 degrees. Mostly fair with isolated showers possible at night with a low of 82 degrees. Winds easterly at 10 knots or less, becoming northeast to east at night. Seas 3 feet or less over the ocean. Sunrise 6:05 a.m., sunset 7:33 p.m. Tropical weather outlook: 1. Offshore of the southeastern U.S. The low pressure area offshore of the southeastern U.S. coast has become a little better organized since yesterday. However, upper level winds remain strong, and the system is forecast to merge with a front over the western Atlantic Saturday or Sunday. Chance of formation through 7 days: low 20%. A low broad area of low pressure is forecast to form over the southwestern Gulf of Mexico late this weekend or early next week. A tropical depression could form during the early or middle part of next week while it moves slowly westward to west-northwestward. Chance of formation through 7 days: medium 50%. That is the 3-day public weather forecast issued on today, Friday, 14th June 2024 by the Turks and Caicos Islands National Weather Service. The next 3-day forecast will be issued on Monday. Thank you.